how to correctly integrate Figma with WordPress. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can correctly integrate Figma with WordPress. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. As you cannot directly integrate Figma with WordPress, but there are alternate ways that you can use. So in order to correctly integrate Figma with WordPress, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Install Udemy Figma extension on your Figma app. To begin, navigate to Resources, then Plugins within Figma and search for Udemy. Then click on Run to initiate the installation process. Once the plugin is installed, the Udemy interface will automatically open. Step 2. Get Udemy key and hit Activate. Next, you need to enter your Udemy license key. To obtain a license key, simply click on the Get Udemy Key button or head over to the pricing page directly, then select the desired plan as per your needs. Step 3. Optimize design sections with Udemy Design Optimizer. Optimizing your design for the best conversion is crucial. With Udemy, you will have 4 tabs and 15 plus steps designed to help you optimize your Figma files for easy conversion. These tabs ensure that your designs maintain their integrity and efficiency throughout the process, making it easier to achieve professional and polished results. Step 4. Export design from Figma to WordPress website. Once your Figma design is optimized, it's time to convert it into an editable WordPress page. So, there are two methods to convert Figma to WordPress. One is live import method and the other is JSON download method. We will look at the second method. Assuming that you have optimized your Figma design, now it's time to use the copy code method. Click on copy code in the Udemy window. On the next screen, click on the copy icon beside the page. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard and add a new page. Click on the plus paste button at the top. Now a pop-up will open, press Ctrl plus V and the template will be imported on your page. That's it. You successfully converted your Figma design to an editable WordPress page through the copy code method. Step 5. Edit further in Gutenberg editor. Now that you have successfully imported your Figma design into WordPress, you can start editing and customizing your website further. Gutenberg provides a user-friendly and intuitive editor that allows you to make changes to your website with ease. So that's how you can correctly integrate Figma with WordPress. That's all for this video.